Hello and welcome to Veggie Patch Ideas. Today it's all about slug-free lettuce, and we're going to do that by these little beauties. It's a slug-free lettuce hanging basket, and we do these this time of year every year, and they'll go in the polytunnel, and I've got a custom made frame that will take all my hanging baskets, and we'll get 8 along here, so we get a massive crop of beautiful lettuce. These all hang up in pride of place, and this is how I do them, with a little bit of a twist. So step this way. So first things first, we'll clear a bit of room on the table, and we'll start with just a hanging basket, and this is as simple as you can get it. It's pretty much the cheapest hanging basket I could find, and I just cut the old used bags of compost. I'll cut them into a circle and place it inside, and I'll just pop some holes through the bottom with the scissors, and they'll just pop in, and it just allows that water to drain. And I don't put too many in because we don't want it to come out like a sieve. We want to hold a little bit and then drain out. So 2 or 3 holes, that's all you need, and we'll fill this up. Now for this I just use a multi-purpose compost, nothing special, and you can use pretty much anything you want. If money's tight and you don't have any compost, you could even get away with garden soil. The only thing I will say that you actually need, if you want absolutely stunning lettuces, it would be a little bit of the sweet shop. And it's not any normal sweet shop, it's where I keep my blood, fish and bone. So we'll get this full, and as you can see, it's pretty much 2/3 of the way full. And we'll get our blood, fish and bone, and we'll put maybe half a cup in there, so it just covers the surface, not too much, but it gives that fertilizer, and that long range fertilizer, so a steady state, and it'll go all through winter as your lettuces are maturing, and it'll give them some food to really get down and feed them. So we'll fill the rest of this up. Now, so we have our hanging basket, it's already done for us, and what I fill it with is, like Blue Peter, what I made earlier, some beautiful, this is a mixed red lettuce, and it won't look like this is like a curly lettuce. This will make the lovely leaves, and it'll go to a decent size. So we take our plug plants out very carefully, and we'll just tease them apart, and we'll plant these in. So and in each hanging basket I'll put 4, maybe 5 lettuces, so they can really bush out. And that's it. It's pretty much as simple as that. This basket is done, and it'll sit on the south side of the polytunnel, so it'll get what little sun we have all through winter, and this will just cook along nicely and then bush out into that beautiful lettuce hanging basket. I'll water it when it's in place. So if we can get this on camera. No, let's move you around. So as you see, that'll just sit there nicely. We'll give her a water and then we'll fill the rest of this up. And what I'll do 2 hanging baskets every 3 weeks or so, just to give me that succession of mature lettuce to coming on lettuce. Now we can expect the lettuce to stop growing or go very dormant over December, January time. So make sure they're in a decent position by then. And then it's just a case of harvesting as you want them. And then as spring picks up again, we can then get our final bits of lettuce and then move in to our strawberries in February. So slug-free lettuce, it's really easy to do and pretty much anyone can do it if you have a greenhouse or undercover. And if you're thinking, wait, hang on Glenn, I want to do these but I don't have an undercover space like you. Well, lettuce, it will grow very, very well as long as it doesn't get completely soaked. So if you've got an outside space but slightly undercover and you can protect them as a bit, they will work because they can go down to a very low temperature. But if you do get a harsh winter, then it may be all over. I'm here in the southwest, so we can pretty much, it's just rainy, wet and horrible constantly, to be fair. So we don't get harsh winters. Well, I say that, fingers crossed, but outdoors we can get away with this as well. Just keep them away from slugs and we're on to a winner. As always guys, thank you very much for watching. Have a great day and we'll see you on the next one.